Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, friends, I will tell you and also show you how to make your iPhone blink when you receive messages or call. Don't forget, friends, to put your likes under this video. Please write your comments after watching and also subscribe to the channel. So, dear friends, let's get to our topic. So, if you would like to turn on the flashlight so that it flashes every time your iPhone calls or when you receive some notifications, it is called Another Way Flash Notifications. It's pretty simple and easy to turn them on. To do this, go to Settings. Scroll down, go to Accessibility. Now scroll down a little bit here in the menu and go to Audio and Visual. Here, scroll down to the bottom and open the LED flash option. And see if you have these options turned off. They will look grayed out, which means they are not flashing and flash notifications are turned off. To enable them, just click on the button next to all items or those items that you would like to enable so that it turns green. This will mean that you have enabled such flash notifications, and next time when someone calls you or you receive a message, you will be flashing your phone. Dear friends, here is such a quick and easy method you can enable flash notifications on any iPhone. Don't forget to put your likes. Please write comments and subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.